All right, everybody. I know I'm just going to do an update on the Honda XR80r, the 2000 model. And yesterday I was out here doing some work. I've been working on this hub here. I got the new uh, bearing and seal on there now, and I just re-spoke the whole thing. And I pretty much got it. Straight. I got it. That's within 1 millimeter tolerances, and I managed to put this little ridge on here. I don't know if you can see that or not. It doesn't show up too much. But I've been kind of doing. I bought this cart from Harbor Freight, and I put it together. And what it's going to do is I'm going to put the Honda on there so I can wheel it around, move it out of the way when I need to. So right now it's been filling up with junk, and just been cleaning the shop up. I got to move this table down over here to closer to this table here, and I got crap all over here. But I fixed the table. The table was bent, so I got stuff back on the table. Moved some tools over here, some of my shop tools, my drill press, and yeah, belt sander thing, and the chop saw. So just been kind of cleaning up and organizing. But I have been doing some work on the motorcycle, or the XR80. So thought I'd just do a little update today. I was thinking about, so here it is, January 19th, and it is almost 80 degrees out here, which it's been cold at night, but not so cold. But I figured I'd make this a truing stand out of two car jack stands. They have a little groove right here. So I set this down. Got a couple of pieces of piping that I cut off and made to keep it from swaying. So when I measured it, that's because that pipe is not, or that rod is not exactly the size of the bearing size, but normally it doesn't make that clicking noise. But I had to make an internal spacer in here that was missing inside the tube, and I put the wheel together. I've never that was my first attempt to put a wheel together, and it turned out. I just watched some videos. I think the thing that you do, the trick is putting in the bottom ones in first, because they go on this side. There's they're made. There's the ones this side, and then there's the other side on this side, and you kind of go to this from this spoke, kind of this way to this side, and then the one next to it, oops, get the camera, one next to it goes the opposite direction. Where's it at? It goes down here. And generally there's 1, 2, 3, 4, or wait a minute. Let's see, there's this one, there's one, that one. 1, 2, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. I don't know. It works out. It's like, but when you take these rods off, there's grooves where they sit from originally, and just kind of follow those around. So you just go that one, 1, 2, 3, 4. The next one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops, back up. It's back this way. This one, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. It's like but if you follow enough pictures and take pictures of it before you do it, gives you an idea. And but if you put the ones going under this part here to this side here, to this side you're working on, the under, let's see, here's one. This one goes under this hub part and it comes down here. If you do those first, then it's the ones that go over top like this are easier to put on than trying to. It's hard to explain, but if you've never done one before, you'll figure it out. But yeah, I need to touch up on some of these scratches and repaint it. I'm getting ready to try chrome painting it, but I don't know if it's going to be worth the hassle, because it was pretty rusty. I cleaned it off really good, and I don't know if I had pictures of it. It was pretty messed up, but those are all new spokes. But it's true now, and it doesn't wobble, and it doesn't go up and down. And there's like a back and forth wobble. It's like 1 millimeter. So, but it is a dirt bike, so it's not supposed to be too perfect. But I just wanted to update where I'm at with all this stuff. So, but I am getting ready to try to chrome this thing. And I don't know if I'm going to have to go through it, and I don't know. We'll see. But this is January 19th, 2022. And that's where I'm at so far. All right, bye.